With over 900 exhibitors from more than 18 countries, Indiaplast-2019 is the right place to be in at the right time. Hosted at India's best trade fair venue, the India Expo Center in Greater Noida, Indiaplast-2019 is a unique venue for visitors to get industry insights and connect personally with not just one another, but also with leading machinery and raw material manufacturers. Indiaplast-2019 will enable you to open direct channels of communication with hundreds of international exhibitors. There are added attractions like live demonstrations of machines and new product launches by industry leaders. You can identify your business needs, indulge in detailed technical discussions, discover opportunities and potential prospects. You can pre-register via the Indiaplast mobile app on Android and iOS. On installing the mobile app, just enter your details and let us know of your interests. That's it. The app will generate a QR code for you, which will be scanned at the venue, giving you faster access. The Exhibitors button on the home screen displays a directory of the exhibitors. On clicking an exhibitor, details of the company, the hall and booth are displayed. You can also schedule a meet or directly chat with them through the app. The venue floor map provides route to specific exhibitor booths and also links to the exhibitor details page. As a visitor, you can plan your day at the venue by checking the daily schedule on the app, participate in surveys, and even stay in touch on social media via our app. You can also pre-register through our website to gain a fast-track entry. At the venue, we have planned for business and visitor lounges. Visitors can expect super-fast Wi-Fi, baggage counters, ATMs and free water stations across all halls. We have planned for many resting areas for visitors to rest and recharge. This year, the catering arrangements will be a true delight. Expect multiple cuisines and adequate seating spread across the venue. With established and experienced hospitality partners like Cox & Kings and Oyo Rooms, our visitors can be assured of premium as well as economical accommodation. We extend a special visa assist facility if you are an international visitor. Our tie-ups with bus fleets shall ensure connectivity from hotels, stations and airports on all the exhibition days. India Expo Center in Greater Noida now has its own metro station, which will make the commute faster and comfortable. The venue also enjoys airport and cargo connectivity. It is just an hour's drive from Delhi and Noida. With abundant parking across the venue, it's the best time to mix business with tourism. The venue boasts of a close proximity to one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. There are many other tourist attractions close to the venue. As a visitor, come and experience the best that the plastics industry can offer. Visit Indiaplast 2019, an evolved plastics exhibition.